I love it when a plan comes together. Recently, a client called and said she was moving out of state. Together, we worked out a thorough game plan based on her timeline, and as a result, I am pleased to present this beautiful Sunset East home. Welcome to 1039 Innsbruck Street. Our plan has indeed come together, and now it's time for the seller to move on to her next chapter and the new family to move in.